woke up yesterday, these clones wouldn't leave me alone. To leave my status off this planet, then I'm headed home. The funny thing is that you niggas cannot hold your own. I switch the lane, you do the same, and then your whip explodes.
I'm a YouTuber. Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a DIY video. I have kind of a plan of what I want to do. I saw this Instagram video. I'll put it here. But I want to kind of recreate it in my own way. So I went to the thrift store and I bought this shirt. It's giving handyman, it's giving mechanic, but it's just a men's shirt I found in the men's section. I think it was like, what, $7? It has cool detailing, like this embroidery and like the stitching's like zigzag. But I think I want to paint it white. I'll show you what it looks like on. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a boxy bit. I don't know if I should crop it because it's a little bit long. I feel like that's a lot better. This is what the back looks like. This is what I traced out yesterday. I saw this picture on Pinterest and I traced it out. And I kind of want this kind of design on the shirt. I created a Pinterest board. It's called shirt. And I kind of want something like these. I kind of like the gun, like something like this. Let me ask Tina if I should crop it. We were watching Gone Girl. Should I crop the shirt? So that's the plan. Let's crop it and we'll go from there. You have a free shot of my toes. That's alright, my toes are nice, so I allow you guys to see it, you know what I mean? Guys, this is not a tutorial, alright? Alright, let's snip. Alright, no go back from here. I think I'm just gonna leave the bottom to fraying shit if it ends up fraying. I think it's just the jumper. Am I tripping or this is still so short? It's okay if it's cropped, then it's cropped. Do you know what I mean? Oh, it's cute. It's just now let's draw on it. Let's draw on it. Guys, so I have the shirt right here. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I really like this image, the one that I drew out, because that's really cool. Or I could do the front facing one of Brad Pitt. I feel like they're both really cool. What's it gonna be? The side profile, I honestly just wanted the side profile and I just needed the universe to confirm that that's what it wanted to. Alright guys, I have an idea. I have the reference image on Pinterest and I'm just gonna trace it out from my laptop. And then I'll trace it onto that. Let's see how this is gonna work out because I have no idea. I've traced the outline and it actually looks promising. You can't really see it, but after further observation, we're gonna move the whole thing over a little bit because we can't really see his face, you know what I mean? Alright guys, I moved it to the middle more, as you can see, and it looks way better. So much better, you can see his face more clearly. But I had to wash off the previous gel pen so I could really see it properly. I just washed it with water and then I used the hairdryer to dry it. I'm using fabric paint that I already have, the color white. It's late, I'm awake and shit. Ella in my head, plus it's so loud in here. Underneath these LEDs. Oh my god.
Guys, stop.
Oh my god. It looks so good. Stop. Am I an artist now? Like, what? Like what? When I do the back, let's get people's reactions in my house. Look at my shirt.
Make me disappear again. Bye. In 3, 2, 1.
But it looks good. It looks like an actual like screen print type of thing.
At the bottom, you just need to go over it with white.
Teleport.
We always looks like weird in the video.
I have my reference image for the back. This is what it looks like. I basically put it onto Fonto, this app, and then I wrote up the text that I want, which is "No Time to Die," and then I chose the font that I wanted, screenshotted it, or like saved the photo and airdropped it to my laptop. Here we go. No time. Oh, I didn't do the middle part. To die.
Spend a long time looking at the shape of it. No original thoughts. I can get away from it. My head is stuck on you. It's way too for the night.
Hey guys, basically I finished the shirt and I want to show you how it looks and how I styled it. So this is the finished shirt. Tell me it don't look good. What? In the back it says "No Time to Die." I'll button the shirt for you to see what it looks like. There you go. So on the front is basically Brad Pitt. On the side we have a crosshair or like a target, and it's just on the sleeve and it goes to the side as well. And then on the back it says "No Time to Die." This is what I'm wearing it with. So I have this shirt, I have this black like bodysuit kind of thing, my jorts, and then Jordan ones. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.